Damn, who blew up the bathroom?
Yo, Sam.
Oh, what's poppin'?
It's the only ring you'll ever get.
Okay, perfect.
Put me
Just
down,
gonna-
heathen. Put me down. Put me down. Put me down.
No. I'm putting you into. I'm sending you to heaven.
Let me out!
I'm sending you to heaven. Hold up. Let me just.
God, don't
And.
be like that, bro.
Oh, I was trying to send you. Oh my god, did you ever see the one where the dude. What the?
Damn.
Who do you think? So, with this mob and ass, who do you think will be able to get past the shotgun dude?
Me.
Bet.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Motherfucker!